Wow. Have you ever seen something so delicious? So satisfying? Well, today I'm going to be showing you how to create this beautiful, colorful, exquisite recipe. So easy as 1, 2, 3. What is up, Hollywood stars? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing how to make those beautiful stewed ice cream berries dessert that looks amazing. So keep watching so you can follow along, and of course let me know down in the comments if you try this, if you like it, and if you ever had stewed berries. So let's get rolling. Alright, so from the title of this video, you probably know what we're making. So we are making some homemade, semi-homemade stewed berries over vanilla ice cream. So what you're going to need here for your ingredients is basically just frozen berries. These are from Kirkland, from the brand, basically from Costco, but you can get any single brand that you like. This is the 3 blend of berry. There's raspberries, blueberries, and blackberries in here. I find that this combination is quite delicious, but feel free to throw in any strawberries if you have them as well. Next, moving on, I have this Breyers Natural Vanilla Ice Cream. So once again, I think this works really well, but you can definitely substitute it for any flavor ice cream you like. And for the finishing touch, just some slivered almonds. For the utensils, we have a small pan. Next, I have this measuring cup. This is just the 1/3 measurement. And then I have just a bowl and a spoon. So the first step is you want to take your 1/3 measurement, and we're going to do 2 cups of this, which I'm not sure exactly what 1/3 plus 1/3 equals, but basically 2 of these. So I'm just going to grab a nice handful of these. So kind of like so. Oops. And I'm going to do 2 cups of these. So just like so. Perfect. So next you're going to want to go ahead and heat this up. I'm going to go ahead and turn my heat to medium. So this is an electric stove, so I'm just putting it in the 5. And we're just going to let this start to simmer and making sure that the berries are nice and melted. Alright, so I do like to have a spoon handy just so I can occasionally stir these bad boys in. But you don't really have to do this too often because the heat will work its magic. So just be patient and these babies will wilt down. Now, let me just tell you that the smell that you will be getting from these berries is spectacular. They smell so delicious, and you're just gonna want to eat them right off the stove, but don't go doing that because that will be very bad. But these berries in particular, you can actually just put them on really anything. So you can put them on top of pancakes, waffles, I mean, you name it. The possibilities are endless. Okay, so don't go hating me, but I did forget to show you one key ingredient, which is a lemon. This is a lemon, right? Or a lime. But just, actually it doesn't matter. You can get a yellow one or a green one, lime, lemon, whatever your heart desires. It will work just as great. But I do have my little grater right here. And you're gonna basically want to get the zest of a lime or a lemon and basically just add it right into the pan. That way all of these nice flavors combine, the acidity of the berries, of the lime, they all are gonna work really well together. And I like to just do the whole lemon just because it is kind of small. But you don't have to do all of it if you don't want to. Also depending how much you make. So this is just what I'm doing. here is the end result of a zested lemon. It's not the prettiest. I don't really want to eat you, but don't throw it away. Because it's still good, you know? It's not what's in the outside, but what's on the inside. Don't judge a lemon by its cover. I'm still delicious. Anyways, take this away. Don't throw this away. Wow, I'm just in a whole rhyming situation today. Don't throw this away. Keep this because you can cut it in half and use it. So there you have it, you guys. Lemon power to ya. Alright, so let me go ahead and show you here what's happening. It's going to be a little bit hard to see because of the steam that's going on, but you can see my lemon zest right in here. So I'm just going to give it a good toss. By the way, my berries are starting to kind of melt down and create that puree that we want. It honestly doesn't take that long. I would say maybe like 5 minutes at the most. So I'm going to just keep working at these. Again, you don't have to really stir them that much. Just do it once you add the lemon zest. And yeah, try not to make a mess like I did. But yeah, that's what it should be looking like, bubbling. Perfect. Once you see this bubbling, then that means your berries are pretty much ready. So I'm going to go ahead and turn off the heat. And I'm going to make sure I take this off the direct heat just so that they can kind of cool down a bit. You don't want to put these straight from the pan into the ice cream because your ice cream will melt, which happened to me. By the way, I might look a little crazy because I took off my makeup like twice. For training purposes, of course. And I also only have like eyeliner and I started breaking out. Not that that has nothing to do with this video, but I just thought I would let you know since I've been gone for hecka long. But yeah, let's check on those berries. Okay, so tip number 2, I don't know if I had a tip number 1, but next tip on the line is you want to make sure you kind of take out your ice cream not to, like, how do I say this? Like, you want to take your ice cream after your berries are done because you don't want your ice cream to be melting. So, side note. So, let me get my handy dandy spoon here. That looks about right. And basically, you're just going to add your ice cream to the bowl of your dreams. So, however much ice cream you want to do. This is obviously kind of hard because I only have one hand. Honestly, you guys, I'm going to get better at making food videos, like food recipe videos, because I love cooking. So, yeah, I have to make this work. Okay, come on. There you go. So I'm going to keep pouring the ice cream and I will be right back. Alright, you guys, so this is the magic, okay? The magic part. So here I have my berry puree that we just created. And I'm just going to go ahead and pour this right on top of that ice cream. Oh my goodness. Can you guys see how beautiful that looks? Wow. So good. Perfect. Tip number 2, I like to also kind of run this under water right away so that it's not sticky when I'm about to wash it. My goodness. Now that is what I call a semi-homemade dessert that looks scrumptious, amazing, outstanding. So for the finishing touch, if you want to be a little extra, a little elegant, a little pizzazz, we are going to be adding, you guessed it, slivered almonds. So I like to add a couple. I'm going to add a little bit more. And you can really add anything on top of your ice cream, whatever your heart desires. So yeah, you guys, this is my little treat. Alright, you guys, so there you have it. This is my semi-homemade ice cream of goodness. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know down in the comments down below if you want to see more recipes, and maybe like what recipes you want to see, because I love to cook. I know so many recipes that are so good, so just let me know, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.